All right, guys, welcome back to the School Food Rocks Training Kitchen. Today, we're gonna do an incredible Thanksgiving turkey wrap. This is a great way to utilize your Butterball Turkey Tenderloin Medallions. This can also be done using a hamburger roll or croissant. They're all delicious. One of the wonderful things we like about this product is it's whole muscle, fully cooked turkey. It's a beautiful, beautiful protein to work with. One of the questions we get asked a lot is, what is the actual proper serving for this? Well, it's simple. Use a 6-ounce spoon. Everybody has one of these in their kitchen. All right, let's assemble this wrap. We're gonna start off with a little lettuce and tomato right on the wrap. Then we're gonna add about an ounce of dressing. If you're a Yankee like me, you would probably call this stuffing. 1 slice of cranberry sauce. We're gonna take a 6-ounce spoonful of your turkey tenderloin medallions. Simple, just like that. That's gonna tell you how you get your proper portion. It's gonna help ensure that you get your 2 meat alternates on there. 1 tablespoon of turkey gravy. From there, we're gonna build our wrap. And voila, there you go. Beautiful Thanksgiving turkey wrap using Butterball Turkey Tenderloin Medallions.